everybody. Hey, this is Kyle with UTV Offroad Adventures. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use our websites. We get lots of questions about people not being able to find out how to register for the events and where the events are, and questions about the itinerary. So here's how you use it. So up here, UTVOffroadAdventures.com. That's how you start off. And here's all our tabs up top. Now remember, this is for a desktop, not a cell phone. So you got all these tabs, show you all the different information. So the most important information is the events. You click on the events tab here, and as you can see, all the events down here. So right here, upcoming events, and they're in order, would be Williams to Grand Canyon is this coming weekend actually, and then and so forth, goes all the way down into 2024 as well. Then if you go lower down here, past events, that's the ones we've already done, but there's still some information on them. So I'm just going to show you how to say you're interested in one of the events. Let's go and say, hey, I'm interested in the Verde Valley. So you scroll down to Verde Valley, tells you the date that it starts. They're all pretty much 3-day events, but at least you get the gist here. You click on Verde Valley, this tab, boom, and it brings you to another website. So each time you click on one of the events, it'll bring you to that specific website with all the information on that event. Over to the right, we have some news. Sometimes we post some pre-run videos, a flyer about the event, the schedules, and so forth. But this tells you a little bit about what's going to be happening, where we're going. So this particular one is, here's the date, November 10th through the 12th, 2023. Here's your home page, which we're on. So here's the itinerary. So that's basically the schedule of what's happening at the event. So you click on it here, and it comes to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Tells you exactly what time everything is, what time the meetings are, the breakfast, the dinners, the raffles, the rides, all that. Then I'll come back. The about just tells you about Camp Verde, a little bit about it. So location's important. You want to know the location where the event's taking place. This particular one is at Camp Verde Equestrian Center, and that's the address. Now you don't have to stay here. That's just where we're gonna base it out of and where we're gonna camp out of. And you're welcome to camp there. But there's other hotels and such in Camp Verde. So you go to camping and lodging, and that will give you different information on where else you could stay. It'll even tell you, hey, we're going to camp here at the Equestrian Center, but here's some hotels if you don't like that and you're a hotel person. You can just click on here and get some different information on different hotels and all that. Then you got the guided rides, just kind of tells you a little bit here about the rides and the facts. All these I'm not going to go over. You get the gist of it. I just wanted to show you how to navigate. So go back, and other events basically will take you back to the main website. So here we are again. So again, here's our schedule. If you want to see the schedule or want to print one of these off, this is 2004. This is the rest of 2023. And it also kind of tells you over here. But events is the biggest thing. So events, and say, hey, you know what? I'm interested next year in the South Arizona Peace Trail, which this is a totally different deal because there's hotels and stuff included. So again, tells you a little bit about it. Here's how you register. You click on registration, and you scroll down registration, and you fill all this stuff out. You click the submit button, and make sure you get a confirmation. If you don't, email me and ask, did I get signed up? Because sometimes it kicks back credit cards for some reason. There's a location of where we're starting this event. This one is a little different because it tells you what's included, because there's some hotels included in this one. It's 350 miles, yada yada. Again, on all this stuff. So anyways, that's the basic of how you do it. Remember, cell phones are totally different. Cell phones, you're going to have 3 little lines up at the top, which is basically the menu bar, which is the tab. So if you click on your phone and click on that, then you got to go through the tabs. But all of our events have so much information on them. I just get so many calls and emails about people can't find anything, so we made this little video. Hopefully it'll help everybody. So that's it. Again, Kyle, UTVOffroadAdventures.com. We want to thank all you guys for always supporting us and coming to our events. We work hard finding new places all over the place. We're super excited about 2024. We got a lot of cool things in sight coming up. 5 different overnight events, which is going to be pretty cool. And I know they're more expensive, but you're going to love them because they include some hotels and more food, and they're long. much longer. So that's it. Give us a call, 623-363-9665 if you have any questions. Hopefully this helped. I will see you on an adventure.